done just, but whether you submit it to a journal or you go to thesis or a scientific report, few of the skeletal rules are same everywhere. I'm going to share it with you, and at the end of the class I'll just wind up the class a bit early so that you can see the format. There is an assignment, maximum up to 3 pages, 4 pages, whatever you want. You can type it soft copy, matlab, I need a soft copy, and make a PDF of it and send me to the mentioned mail which I have mentioned in the presentation before 5 p.m. by today itself. And that assignment will be regarding the scientific writing. So I'll shortly share the screen. Kindly let me know if it would be visible. Just wait. Is the screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you for the information. So today's brief topic would be regarding scientific writing and format. So these are the few skeletal introductions. See, whether it's thesis, whether it's a research publication, whether it's your assignment or any of the government-based reports in the scientific community, your business reports or anything regarding the science or research, these 6 points are skeletal. It means the main titles of the matter except the front page. The front page is niche and personal to the organization in which you are working. So you are doing PhD from MMU. So MMU ordinance would be having a particular format for the front page. That also matches with other organizations, but few of the font sizes or the font styling may be different. But inside a thesis or report or research publication which you have to submit to any journal, few of the points will remain same all over the world. The thing is, main title, it should be bold with font size of 14. After that, the whole matter, including the titles, subtitles, and the your main writing, the paragraphs, points, anything, that should be of 12 font size. The headings shall be bold, and the main matter, which is the paragraphs, points, they should not be in bold. Okay, the alignment should always be justified. There are four alignments: left, center, right, and justified. So justify alignment is always there, except for the captions like figure captions, captions. Over there it is decided that you have to keep center or in the left, according to the requirement of the journal or publication. Line spacing 1.5. Few of the earlier publication, very old publication, they require 2 line spacing, but now the scientific community has accepted 1.5 line spacing. And font style will always be Times New Roman. Inside the figures, the text which you write inside the figures and it becomes the part of the figure, in few of the journals it is Arial, but it's better to give Times New Roman because it is completely accepted worldwide. So these are the few guidelines. I'll just share this PPT with you all during the class itself in the group, and you can take a charge of these points and make your assignment likewise. So this is an example from my publication. A figure has been shown, A, B, C, D. It's one figure, मतलब 4 figures clubbed in one. And figure caption, it's a rule that for the caption of figures should always be given below the figure. Likewise, the caption of the table should always be given above the table. Okay, so remember that thing. The legends and the captions for tables are always on the top of the table, and for the figures, it is below the figure with the number indicated. And if a figure is being reprinted from some other research or pre-publication, even if it is of your own, a proper citation has to be given with the licensing, that is it permissible, like we on in our very first class which we talked about publication ethics. This is the page of a journal called BBRC, and you can find the guidelines how to write any research paper or anything which is to be submitted to any particular journal. There is always a section given. I have rounded encircled it into the red circle, oval ellipsoid, which you can see. A guideline for author or author guidelines, these type of hyperlinks would be mentioned within the journal page or website, and you should always click on it and go through the whole points which they have given and strictly adhere to it. And very importantly, this is the last point of this scientific writing, that use of proverbs or gender based nouns is prohibited. So you should limit yourself using the words like he, she, they, or anything which is of the socio gender based form. Instead, in scientific writing, we use male, female, and biological sexual things. We never use social based genders. We If we have to, address a particular community, we will give it a name, and in the third person, according to the legalization and generosity, we will address the community or thing. But it should not openly in the first person donate like he, she, or something. Like non-binary genders are there, males are there, females are there, then we have whole LGBTQI plus orientation. So any of the genders existing shall not be in first person pointed out. They should always be under the scientific language and in a respectful way. Also, any disability and health condition should be treated as the subject, as a research subject, not as something which is to be pointed out through the words. So this was all regarding the scientific writing. So today's assignment will be, you have to prepare a 2 to 3 page assignment of the topic of your interest, which aligns with your field. Anything you can take, and just write few paragraphs. I'll just show you the format of the assignment as well. I have created a template, and the guidelines which are given, that it should be of Times New Roman font style, the spacing should be 1.5, and few of the earlier things, like we told you in the last class, that if you are giving references, which you have to give, follow one rule only, either MLA, either Convecor or Harvard, whatever it is, just follow one rule. You can go for whole like Garg et al 2025, or you can give numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 citation format. It's completely up to you. And through this assignment, I want to see that what will be the mistakes or spaces which I can cover up, and things which are not being well understood, and what are the gaps, so that in the next class I can tell you people that these were the things, and more precisely we can incorporate in our scientific writing. So it's just assignment which makes us more reliable with the scientific writing thing. So by today, before 5 p.m., kindly mail it to the mentioned email ID of mine, and I'll just show you the template for the assignment.
सर एक बार साइटेशन बता देते कैसे होती है.
Okay, yeah, I'll tell you. Just
Sir,
I'll
sir,
open for the
sir,
question answer thing.
excuse
Yeah,
me, sir.
please. Yes, yes.
Sir, the topic can be any from any area,
Yeah,
or
of your interest, of your research work in which you are doing. You do not have to disclose your research. Just थोड़ा सा मिलता जुलता of your field.
sir, as I am a student from law department. So it can be related from the law background.
Yes, 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 yes. I am not giving you a topic because so that you can be comfortable. Whatever the topic is, it should be comfortable to you. Pick up a topic of your own. Just give 3 pages. One page of introduction. This is the first page, which you have to just fill and keep it as it is. From the next page, just introduction, review, conclusion, and references. Only this thing you have to give, and of your own interest, so that you don't have to research much about the topic. And I need to see the format how you write in the scientific
Excuse me, sir.
language.
Excuse me, sir. If you don't
Yes,
mind, could you be just sharing us this template in the group so that we get an
yes,
idea
yes,
exactly on how to
during
go ahead?
the class itself or just after the class, I'll share the ppt and this template.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर.
Thank you so much.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
सर वो
Uh,
एक बार रेफरेंसेस प्लीज बता देंगे कैसे लिखनी है.
हाँ श्योर, मैं बताता हूँ अभी आपको, मैं लाइव आपको दिखा देता हूँ एक बार ये आप.
ओके ओके सर, थैंक यू.
Excuse me, sir.
I'll just share my live screen of Google. Is the screen visible?
नो
No,
सर.
sir.
नो सर.
Okay, it will take some
नाउ
time.
इट इज क्लियर सर. नाउ
Oh,
इट्स क्लियर सर.
yeah, I'm going live on Google. So you have to switch to Google Scholar tab. Okay, this is Google Scholar, which you find where you can find all the researchers. So, like, I have my research on phytochemical. So I've just written a keyword. Now, so many research papers have been opened, and it's completely arbitrary. Whatever the research paper, how for how many time it is being published, in what year, they all are mixed up. I can custom my range that only from 2025 I want from the left side, or from 2024 I want. Now, how to cite them? Beneath each and every research paper hyperlink, there are these options given. Okay, we'll go to the cite option and pick up anyone, whether it's MLA, APA, Chicago, Harvard, Vancouver, whatever it is. Generally, we pick up APA. Click on it, copy it, and make a list, paste it. See, by default, it is coming Arial and 10 pointer. So we select it up, increase the font size to 12, make it Times New Roman, complete black text, and justify the alignment. This is left alignment, this is center, this is right, and this is justified alignment, and line spacing 1.5. This is the scientific way to give the list. And now how to put this reference into the text. This shows Singh VK, Arora D, Ansari MI, and Sharma PK 2019. If you want to give full citation, where we want to give, we'll write Singh et al. 2019. Like this, we can give Singh et al. Full stop, comma 2019. Why we are giving et al over here? Et al means sing and group. Et al is short French language pointer for the group. If there is single author, we'll give the surname and the year, like Singh 2019. If there are two authors, we'll give Singh and Arora 2019, both the surnames of both the authors. And if it is more than two, we'll just put et al. The first author's surname, et al., full stop, comma, and the year in which it is published. This is the way of thesis and most of the publications. In few of the publications, number citation is given. Like, we'll not write et al. Over here,
Excuse
this
me,
full
sir.
citation. We'll just give number.
Excuse me,
Yeah.
sir.
Yes.
Sir, et al should be put after how many authors? Because you said ki it is to be put after two authors.
If the research paper contains more than two authors or at all should be used. If two authors are
Okay.
there, use the surname with and. If one author is there, there is no point of two, use the surname of both the authors. And if it is more than two, even three, just give a surname of the first author, put et al and the year.
Okay. So we can put the et al after two authors.
Yeah, more than two authors. We'll not use after because afterword is not fitting over
Yeah.
here.
Okay. So
More than two.
we will write the name of the two authors. Then we put et al.
No, 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 no. See, what I am saying, whether if there are three authors or more than that, like more than two authors are there, even if it is three, you just give surname of the first author, put et al and the subsequent year. If it is one author, there is the only one author, so his surname, his or her surname, and the subsequent year. But if there are two author, for example, if this paper is written like this, two authors are there. So what we will do, Singh and Aurora. We'll do Singh and Aurora, comma 2019. Understood?
Yes, sir.
This is the way of citation.
सर
सर
इसका
नंबर साइटेशन भी
Sir.
बता दो।
Sorry, number citation. Yeah.
सर इसका एब्स्ट्रैक्ट भी लिखना है क्या?
No, no, you don't have to write abstract, and please maintain a generosity in the language. It's a request from my side. Kindly maintain some generosity in the language because in this future you will be going to the professors. Please maintain some generosity in the language. It's a request from my side.
Sir, the references you are writing, as such, we don't have to copy that atal that you are saying, that we have to put if more than three authors are there, right, sir?
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
So in the list, you just copy like this, and in the number thing, you just make list like this: one, then two, then three, and where it is cited within the text, you write that particular number like this, either with the
नो
large
सर, अब जैसे
brackets.
एब्स्ट्रैक्ट लिखते हैं और उसके बीच में सर साइटेशन ऐड करनी है, फिर कैसे करेंगे सर?
In the abstract, citation is not required. In the introduction, in the paragraph, wherever you have taken a particular line, uske last mein you give the this thing reference. I'll
Reference.
just show you. Just a minute. If there is something of my personal thesis, I have to take it out from somewhere. Just a second. I have to see if I have. Yeah. Yeah. See, if a paragraph is written, if something has been taken, if this line has been taken from somewhere, you have to change the language and give citation before the full stop. Like this information has been taken from somewhere else, that what is the depth of the pool, CO2 variation is there, and what type of nutrient supply is there. This information is taken from Zorowski and Henney. Two authors are there. So their surname with and in between, and the publication year in which they have published. And this will be mentioned below the chapters, uh, below the main content of the chapter in the reference list like this. Okay. So this is the way. And if you want to go for number citation, you don't write this, you just write 1, 2, 3 and list that paper. But in thesis and in reports, numbers are not much required. It depends that what is the format of your particular department. Like for strict engineering background students, IEEE format is followed, which is the number format. but it can be again varied by institute to institute, that what type of format they want. But the skeletal format, like 12 pointer, justified alignment, black text, and also one thing, you never use red text. If I want to make it red in my assignment or thesis, it is not allowed. Red color text is not allowed. It can be used in figures only.
Okay,
So
sir. Thank you.
this was all about the scientific writing. Very
Thank you,
brief,
sir. Thank
and
you
it
so
is
much.
Hello.
for.
Excuse me,
Hello,
sir.
sir. Sir, मेरी एक query थी.
हाँ
Hello.
हाँ हाँ, yes, I am listening.
सर, जो हम रेफरेंसिंग जैसे लिखते हैं, जैसे आपने अभी एक साइट किया 2019 का, अगर हम
हम्म
3 या 4 और वो देखते हैं आर्टिकल्स, उसमें से उठाते हैं रेफरेंसिंग के लिए, तो हमें वो जो सीक्वेंसिंग है रेफरेंसिंग लिखने की, क्या उसमें भी देखना होगा? लाइक जैसे रिव्यू में लिखते हैं, लाइक पहले कौन सा ईयर लिखना है, फिर कौन सा, असेंडिंग में या फिर डिसेंडिंग में,
ओके, इन दी
इसके लिए भी
लिस्ट जो
कुछ?
लास्ट में जो
हाँ,
लिस्ट होगी, दैट विल बी अल्फाबेटिकल. ओके, जो सरनेम, जैसे ए से जो सरनेम है वो पहले आएंगे. इन एम एस वर्ड एन ऑप्शन इज गिवन ओवर देयर, A to Z.
ओके,
वही अलाइनमेंट्स के साइड में. तो जो लास्ट में जो लिस्ट होती है वो तो अल्फाबेटिकल आएगी. बट अगर
ओके सर,
एक से ज्यादा रेफरेंस एक लाइन में आप ऊपर देते हैं मेन टेक्स्ट में, तो पहले जो ईयर है वो प्रेफर करते हैं कि पहले आप 2025 दें, उसके बाद 24, देन ऑल दी ईयर्स आफ्टर दैट.
Excuse me, sir.
यस.
पहले मतलब
Sir,
जो रीसेंट
sir,
है
please
वो देना
assignment.
है?
या
जैसे
करिश्मा,
पहले मतलब
प्लीज
रीसेंट
प्रोसीड,
देना है?
एंड आफ्टर दैट आई विल लिसन टू द अदर थिंग्स.
Sir, sir, could you please increase that, extend the time of submission till 10 o'clock, because till 4 o'clock we have a classes, and in 1 hour it is impossible to prepare because I need time.
Okay, okay,
Till
okay.
6
So
o'clock, yeah, till 6.
I'll extend to 8 p.m. because 10 is not allowed according to the, see, I
Okay.
have to keep the community and the social thing, a stigma and
Ha,
decorum also. So I'll
okay,
increase
sir.
it to
8,
8 p.m.
8 is okay.
Yeah, I'll increase it to 8 p.m.
Thank you very much, sir.
But that will be unofficial. Please, within before 8 p.m. If it is possible for you to give it before 6 and 5, please mail it to me. And after
Okay.
8 p.m., it is
Okay, sir.
not, expected from
No,
you
no, sir.
people to mail or something. So it is for
Okay, sir.
everyone, and
Before
it's
8
a
p.m., sir, I'll be
request
submit.
from the authorities and my side. Please maintain generosity, decorum, discipline, and beautifulness of being PhDs and students and future professors. It's a beauty and an honor from the Parameshwara to us, and a privilege given to us that we have the ability to be gurus. It's a gift from the nature. Please maintain the generosity and some politeness and discipline. Yeah, please proceed with the questions. I'm open.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, please.
So actually, we have like the ones who are from the English background, they'll be following the MLA handbook style, no?
Yeah, whatever style you follow, please stick to that. Whether it's MLA, whether it's APA, whether it's Vancouver, just one style, follow that.
Okay, sir. Thanks.
Regarding this only, I have given the assignment. If someone is not has done some glitches, I will just keep it in my mind. I'll go through the assignment. I'll keep it in mind, and in the subsequent lecture, we'll be discussing that so that I can have an idea that where the problem is coming and what more things I need to tell from my side.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
Swati.
I'm
Yes,
from engineering background. So,
yes.
sir, मेरे को जो रेफरेंसेस करनी है वो नंबर्स से करनी है कि सिंपल?
यू जस्ट पिक वन जर्नल, और उसमें
ओके,
अगर नंबर्स दिया गया है तो यू राइट अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट.
ओके
एंड
सर,
इफ यू वांट टू, इट्स completely up to you. If you want to give full citation,
ओके,
you can give full citations.
ओके, थैंक यू सो मच सर.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Jasmine.
Sir, can
Yes.
I take one template from IEEE format and then I put all the data in that template? Is it possible
Yes,
for
yes, you can
assignment
do that. Just I will
according
share
to
the
their standard?
template. The first page should be same, which is your name, roll number, and to whom you are submitting with your guide. That first
Okay.
page, you just fill it, and whatever style you want to pick, just go with it. My work is just to see that there is no particular mistake in the style which you have picked up, and if there is some mistake or some misunderstanding, I'll point it out and resolve it.
Okay. Sir, can you say IEEE standard in WhatsApp group format?
IEEE, it's better you go to some journal and pick up the IEEE format, because IEEE format doesn't have a template in that way.
Okay.
I have to give
Okay.
some journals template, which is not, ethical to give some particular journals format. So you select any of the journal and you
Okay, sir.
write your 2 to 3 page assignment. Um,
Okay,
Template will
sir.
not be required because a template may create too much of confusion in that case.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Any other question, please?
सर इंट्रो आफ्टर द इंट्रोडक्शन
Yes,
रिव्यू ऑफ लिटरेचर पे वो भी कितना पेज लिखना है?
just one page.
ओके, और मेथड पार्ट मेथोलॉजी ये मेंशन करनी है सर?
No, no, you don't have to give methodology or anything. Just introduction, a brief review, and a very brief conclusion, and just reference. My motive is just to see that how you are writing, nothing
सर
else.
जब हम रिव्यू ऑफ लिटरेचर का ये भी एक फॉर्मेट होता है ना सर, जैसे एक आर्टिकल को आप वो कर रहे हो, तो उसमें क्या अथर्स नेम लिख के जस्ट वो लिखना है या स्टोरी मेकिंग के टाइप ऐसा करके
No, no,
बनाना है?
story making. You don't give like author का name दिया, फिर उसमें क्या किया है? This
ये
is for books and projects, which are institute or some organization specific in thesis, and in all the other journals where you publish reports, review, research. It is always a paragraph, story based paragraph, just 2 3, not more, just 2 3 citations or papers. You give one paragraph each in your language, cite it properly, give the conclusion and the list of the reference, and I'll see if it is written in particular format or not, and what the glitches there. I'm not getting the word, sorry to again and again I'm using this word glitch, which is not fitting over here. But my thing is just to see that what are the things in the scientific writing of yours.
सर तो रिव्यू ऑफ लिटरेचर में जस्ट ऑथर नेम फिर एटाल एंड ईयर ऑफ मेंशन करके देन उसके बाद उसको समराइज करना है ना, दैट्स इट, एंड रेफरेंस डालनी है ना कि हमने कौन
You
से पेज में
just
करा है?
see what I am saying. जहां से भी आप वो मैटर उठा रहे हो किसी चीज का, यू चेंज इट इन योर लैंग्वेज, राइट द लाइन,
हाँ जी।
और उस लाइन के बाद फुल स्टॉप से पहले यू गिव द साइटेशन, द ऑथर
ओके सर।
सरनेम, एंड इफ इट इज मोर देन 2 यू गिव एट ऑल एंड द ईयर एंड क्लोज इट। किसी भी एक जर्नल का जहां से आप उठा रहे हो वो रिसर्च, उसी में जैसे दे रखा है रेफरेंसिंग, यूज दैट।
सर अगर हम वैंकूवर स्टाइल में अगर रखना चाहते हैं तो जैसे मेंडली से करते हैं तो वो भी इट इज वैलिड और नॉट?
वैंकूवर, हाँ, ऑल दी स्टाइल्स आर वैलिड, नथिंग इज
ओके।
इनवैलिड, क्योंकि
ओके
उसकी जो
सर।
ऊपर साइटेशन आएगी दैट विल बी सेम फॉर एवरीथिंग। जस्ट
ओके।
नीचे कैसा लिखा गया है, ईयर पहले लिखा गया है, नीचे जो बिब्लियोग्राफी रेफरेंसेस की लिस्ट देते हैं हम, उसमें
हाँ जी, हाँ
कहीं
जी
पे
सर।
ईयर पहले लिखा गया है, कहीं पे ईयर बाद में लिखा गया है, ओनली दैट इज द डिफरेंस, एवरीथिंग इज
ओके।
वैलिड। बट हाँ, इन द मेन टेक्स्ट द साइटेशन इज ऑलवेज सरनेम, अगर दो से ज्यादा है तो एट ऑल, एंड द ईयर, दिस इज ऑलवेज देयर in the scientific writing, the same. So any other question? So I'll proceed with the sharing these templates into the group. I'm keeping the class on for that time so that everyone can have it. I hope my screen is not visible now. The sharing is stopped.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you. I'll just share with you all. Yeah, someone has shared IEEE format. Mr. Dinesh Sisodia, thank you for your reference. But it would be better if the particular students find the format and do it by themselves. Unless and until the supervisor has not told you to share something into the group, kindly refrain yourself. Be within the frameworks of the rules and generosity. It's a request from my side and all the supervisors as well. Okay, now I have shared both the presentation and the template. Please go to any of your favorite journal or any easy approachable journal. See the format, download its research paper, or you go to the Google Scholar, see the format, and just give not more than 3 pages. It's just to get an idea that how you are writing, so that I can get the gaps and spaces. In the next class, I'll address all those queries or the mistakes or gaps which are there in the scientific writing. And I'll try to take it on Google, this Microsoft Teams if possible, so that we can have a proper attendance. And please do not mention the mails or something into the group. Just mail me and I'll get it. Okay. That's why I've given a template of mentioning the roll number, the registration number, and the name of your guide on the first page of the assignment, so that there can be proper listing of the assignment who have submitted, and those who have not submitted, they can be segregated from the whole group.
Excuse
Excuse
me,
me, sir.
sir.
Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
I'm from December batch and we have not allotted any guide. Then what to do?
Okay, just leave it blank. Leave it blank. If no guide has been allotted, leave it blank.
Okay, sir.
Yes, excuse me, sir.
Yes.
सर मुझे ना लास्ट क्लास से रिलेटेड एक क्वेश्चन पूछना था।
हाँ.
सर आपने लास्ट क्लास में वो JANE जेन करवाया था ना
Jane.
जर्नल फाइंडर के लिए।
Hmm.
तो सर इसमें जब मैंने जर्नल देखे तो आई थिंक ऑल जर्नल मेडिकल साइंस से रिलेटेड थे। तो
Hmm.
अगर मुझे मैनेजमेंट का जर्नल देखना है, मींस उसका
Hmm.
एम और स्कोप हमसे मैच करता है कि नहीं, तो
Hmm.
उसके लिए मुझे एलिसवेयर में देखना पड़ेगा कि स्प्रिंगर में देखना पड़ेगा?
In elsewhere and Springer, there are options given that what area of journals you want to point out, management or medical or chemistry or material sciences. That filter is given on the left side. जैसे Amazon वगैरह पे आप size वगैरह के according arrange करते हैं ना, in the same way, the same format is given on Springer and elsewhere, so that you can put the topic of your interest. उसके
ओके मींस
अलावा
स्प्रिंग।
you just put keywords or abstract in the form of management, which is not linking towards the medical thing, which is going towards the management, so it will give suggestions for the management. And in Jane also there are there is filter given. In this next class, if possible, I'll just share the guide how to find the journals of your own interest with
ओके
filters.
सर, ओके सर, थैंक यू
So
सर।
this query I have noted. I'll try to solve this problem by visiting their website or something, which if I can prepare a guide for you, I'll just show a live demo in the subsequent class or the next.
ओके सर, थैंक यू
Can you
सर।
please share your mail
एक्सक्यूज
ID?
मी सर, गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
Good morning. Yes.
सर आप कोई स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्मेट बता सकते हैं हमें जो थीसिस में लिटरेचर रिव्यू लिखने के लिए यूज़ कर सकते हैं हम? लाइक पहले जो यूज़ होता था वो ईयर हम पहले लिखते थे और देन ऑथर नेम एंड देन विल स्टार्ट
Hmm.
विद द
Okay, the
एब्स्ट्रैक्ट टाइप।
safest way is go to Shodh Ganga ID. Shodh
ठीक
Ganga is the archiving repository of all the theses published in India. Find MMU, Maharishi Markandeshwar deemed to be university on their website, and whatever the latest thesis or
ओके
whatever the thesis the have been submitted in this university in all the last years,
Okay,
they
sir.
will be available free of cost in PDF format. So pick up your department and download the thesis, the latest thesis, and see the format. That will be the easiest way.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah, please write it down. Shodh Ganga. Shodh Ganga. Shodh means research, and Ganga means the river of knowledge.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Can you please share your email ID?
It is mentioned in the presentation's last slide where I have given the assignment title. And below that, in red color, I have written, after completion, kindly email the PDF file to rishabh.garg@mmumulana.org. Kindly visit the last slide of the presentation which I have shared. And if it is not there, kindly let me know.
Okay.
So if there are no more queries, I'll end up with the class so that you can have a 10-minute window just to go through a journal.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you all, and I appreciate the discipline and generosity, and hope that our future professors, which you are people, will be the guideline for India and upcoming research. Thank you all.
Sir, thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.